Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few kitchen gadgets from 5-minute crafts and find out if they are useful or are they busted. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first gadget, I have boiled corn. I'm going to use this corn peeler and remove it from its cob. At first, it's a bit difficult, but once you understand how the gadget works, it's quite okay. It comes off easily and it's easy to clean, but there's a bit more wastage and you won't get individual corn. It's good if you just want to eat the corn by itself. If you want to make corn chaat or corn rice, I don't think so it's going to be useful. The gadget looks like a computer mouse, which is nice. If you look closely, there's already a crack just by using it once. So for me, this gadget was a 50-50. I couldn't find dill leaves, so I'm using coriander leaves instead. And here is the 5-blade scissor. Let's cut these leaves. Okay, I'm really impressed. I can cut it quite easily. Also, it comes with a brush to clean, which is great. Let's try it with the spring onion. As you can see, it's very easy and super quick. You just need to apply a bit more pressure at the end. I love this product. It's amazing for someone who's scared of knife. This gadget works 100%, so it's undoubtedly successful. For the next gadget, I have this sharpener. It looks exactly like a giant pencil sharpener. It also has a peeler, so first I'll check that. Okay, it's not that bad, but not the best. Now let's sharpen the carrot. I don't know why whenever I see a sharpener, it reminds me of school time when I used to sharpen the pencil near the dustbin just to have a chat with my friend. Comment below what you used to do during your lectures to have fun with your friends. Coming back to our product, it's average, it's doing what it says. It's not as perfect as the video, but I'm going to try it again with a cucumber. You can see the difference between the product and the regular peeler. It's much easier to sharpen a cucumber. I'm getting these continuous petals kind of thing. The sharpener result is really good. It's great for plating and looks pretty. This product is a thumbs up. Here I have a pineapple. I already cut the bottom part. Now let's cut off the top part, which is its crown. Also, I tried to find the biggest or the largest pineapple from the market. This is the pineapple cutter I'm going to use. Place it on the core, that is the center, and spin the cutter downwards. It needs a lot of pressure and strength to push it down. This created a lot of mess and wasted more than half of my fruit. I could only get the bottom part into the ring shape as a whole. Let's take these rings out of the slicer and cut them into individual rings. It looks good, but still there's some skin left which is not edible. The gadget kind of works if you have a wider pineapple, but doesn't work for all pineapples, and it creates a lot of mess. So for me, the gadget was busted. So the last gadget is a 2-in-1. It's a hack using a kitchen gadget. I have 6 Oreos. Break them into pieces. Add half cup of milk and let it soak for overnight. Now add the strained milk into the jar. Here I am using the mini electric mixer. Let's see how long it takes to get the froth. So it took 20 minutes to get only this much froth. The product is also heated up, so I'm going to keep it aside to cool down. Now I'm going to add the froth over the black coffee. So this is the result and I'm really disappointed. But let's taste it. It tastes more like black coffee, which I personally like, but I can't taste the Oreo at all, so I didn't understand the point of soaking it overnight. I thought of using the mixer again. You can clearly see the gadget works and it took only 5 minutes to get the froth. So for me the hack is busted, but the gadget totally works. Today's shout out goes to Kausar Taj, Mudlagar Sridhar and Jagdish Purohit. If you want a shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.